Hello Buckingham students, it's me again, Mr. Payne. This is a quick little video to show you how to make your own frisbee at home if you don't have a frisbee at home. You're only going to need a couple things. I have 2 regular paper plates here, I have a sock, and I have a stapler, okay? So I'm going to show you real quick how to make your own frisbee at home for the lesson. Again, only if you don't have one. So you're just going to take the paper plates. You only need one to start. I have 1 sock. This is just to give the frisbee a little bit of weight, okay? I put my sock in there. I am going to take my paper plate and flip it upside down and kind of put them together like that. And then I'm going to take my stapler and I'm going to put, let's see, that's 1, we'll go 2. Be careful, students, with the stapler. And for my younger students, definitely get help from your parents. That's 3. We'll get these edges, 4, 5, and I don't know, that's 6 staples. And there you have it, a homemade frisbee for my students at home that don't have a frisbee. So again, all you need is 2 paper plates. I just put a sock in there just to give it a little bit of weight and a couple staples, and it's good to go. All right. I hope everybody enjoys the frisbee lesson. Okay. And I hope to see you all soon. This is Mr. Payne. Bye.